The city of Montreal has been knocked sideways by an early season whiteout. The skies dumped a solid 20 centimeters of snow in the downtown core, while neighboring regions recorded similar or even higher totals. The sudden blanket of white came with enough gusto to leave close to 395,000 homes without electricity, turning many living rooms into impromptu, candlelit lounges for a bit transportation. Let's just say the roads weren't impressed. Commuters shuffled along very slowly. Drivers swapped slick tires for cautious grins, and local authorities warned that visibility was dropping toward near zero in places, thanks to snow drifting and high winds. Cars, buses, and general movement were all reminded that winter has arrived, with a really loud knock. Schools in several boroughs were shuttered as a precaution, public transit routes were delayed or rerouted, and airports reported flight disruptions. With snow still piling up and more on the way, officials urged residents to avoid non-essential travel and be patient while crews clear the mess. After all, even snowplows need time to catch their breath. Power crews worked round the clock, tackling downed lines and frozen equipment. Some households reported outages into a second day, as cold temperatures made the situation even less comfy. Meanwhile, citizens grabbed shovels, coaxed snow-covered cars awake, and muttered things like, "I should have bought the heated driveway," under their breath. From a structural view, the storm is being labeled the first major push of the season, a bold statement given how Montreal usually gears up for weeks of snow cleanup. Experts warn that the combination of snowfall, wind, and freezing temperatures may lead to tree limbs snapping under their snowy burden, further power hits, slippery sidewalks, and a general, yes, winter's officially here feeling. Despite the disruption, community spirit glowed brighter than the holiday lights that are still a few weeks off. Neighbors helped each other dig out. Cafes offered warm refuge. Crews cleared sidewalks for senior citizens. And social media lit up with pictures of mischievous snow sculptures in front yards. Because when you're stranded with snow up to your boots, building a snow gnome of the neighbor's car is only natural. So, what's the outlook? More snow is expected in the next 24 to 48 hours, so the city will remain in cleanup mode for a while. Clearings will happen in phases, main roads first, residential streets next. Residents are advised to keep driveways clear, ensure carbon monoxide detectors are working, since alternate heating sometimes comes into play, and avoid piling snow near power boxes or trees susceptible to collapse. In short, Montréal has been hit with a serious snow event, the kind that calls for extra layers, canceled plans, and maybe a mug of something hot. But the streets will clear, the lights will come back on, and before long, this story will join the great archive of Remember When We Had That Snowstorm in November.
The snow, since 30 years, I'm living in Canada. So thank you for everything.
As the city slowly returns to normal, crews continue working through the cold nights to restore power and clear remaining snow, while residents adapt to the sudden shift into full winter mode. With temperatures expected to stay low and more snowfall on the horizon, Montréal prepares for a few more challenging days, but the community's resilience and readiness remain stronger than the storm itself.